Hello, welcome. I am sick, but I'm gonna teach you calculus. So let's begin. First, we need to start off with limits. So limits are how much you can go when you how how high before like reaching the limit. So imagine you're in a house, right? You are in a house, house, and this is the limit of the ceiling. That's basically limits. But except it's in an equation form. So it looks like lim x to the 1 is equal to, and then there's normally like a function here, and functions is like input output stuff. Whatever. Not important. Limits, yeah, you don't need that. Okay, next we have derivatives, and these are d over dx. It's just this, yeah. So for derivative, you get 3. If you have something like 3 x, if you have something like x to the 3 power, you move the 3 here and then the x down here, and then you subtract 1 by there and you get 2. That is a derivative. Whoa. But there's like more complicated derivatives like x3 up 2, and then you can do derivative by moving this to the front, and then these like do the 2 times 3, and that equals 6, and then you subtract 1, so it's x, this x to 1, or this x, 6x. Cool, now we learned derivatives. Let's go to the next one. Also, I'm not editing this. Integral, so it's this weird s sign, right? From 0 to 1, we can put, I don't know, 3x squared. We're bringing this back. So this is like backwards of derivative, where instead of going like this and that, you want to go like this and that, and then this goes back in there and it turns into x3. There's like a more complicated way of doing this, like an actual thingy. I'll show you guys how to do it. So we go over here, we have 3x2, and then what you want to do is add 1, and then you get like 3x to the 3, and then after you do that, you see the number here, you just divide by that number. So x3 over 3 to the 3. That's a lot of 3's, but 3 and 3 is just 1, so it's just x3, and then you need to add plus c for some reason, and that is your answer for integral. I hope that made sense. I have a test in like a day. Please help. Yeah, okay, I'm ending this video. This is